guys, we are back with another episode of Andreas Doing Art alongside with Reina Luna. So let's go. All right, so today we got ourselves a challenge, and whoop-dee-doo, do we got ourselves a challenge. Here's what we're gonna do. Reina and I are each gonna start off with our own canvas, and we're gonna switch canvases every 10 minutes and then switch back and switch and switch and switch and switch in 10-minute increments until we're done. Let's start off the first 10 minutes. Here we go. Let's go.
Tendrils.
Put down your brushes. You are done with round 1. Round 2. Fight!
I want to do a little hammock, but it's far, so it's risky.
Okay, we should do that. But I just had a little idea because they look so cute together. And I wanted to add like little pink highlights in this. So a little bit of this, like maybe like pink little fruit, like the hot pink. And it'd be cool if we added a little dark. You can make the hammock blue, but like this kind of blue. And just like a touch of the little blue and now I'm gonna touch of the pink in this one.
Yeah, that's cute. I think that's cute. I'm scared to do a hammock.
I believe this will be the final round.
That's what I got for you today. 10-minute art challenge. Hell yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Woo, which one's your favorite? I don't know. I love them both. But leave it in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. And until next time, we out.